slightly worse than like a...
That's what I heard. That's what I heard.
Yeah. But it looks cool.
Does it help with the aerodynamics?
I just watched the movie Dictator once.
It is too round on the top. It needs to be pointy. Round is not scary. Pointy is scary.
And then like...
I haven't seen that one.
It's such a bad movie.
Like that. Like,
What about all these little tools over here?
it's not. It's fine. We don't have to worry about that. The parachute will still inflate.
Okay, what's next?
We fold it again. Yeah, that way.
Great, looking good.
So now we got a little pizza slice.
I love pizza slice.
Yeah, we get food. Sure. Everyone wants.
First parachuting instructor. It'll do.
Yeah, seems fine.
Okay. So, just shove that. Take a look at this.
Or the hand towels down over there.
Oh, but it's got power outlet over there.
It's really a fire resistant towel. So we're gonna just fold it so that it fits and doesn't, so that it like fits in there.
So that's what the towel's for.
Poop. It's so that we don't burn things. Because, like you saw in that video with the the ejection charge, I don't know if you watched it. It's big explosion.
Oh, I saw that.
Okay, we're just gonna let that chill for a bit, I guess, for right now. The boom juice. It's the boom juice.
GPS.
Oh yeah, I'll say.
Doesn't work.
I'll tell them that we didn't.
We'll have to.
What are we gonna do?
What are we gonna do? We're gonna find it manually.
I'll say the battery died.
You want to explain what happened? No GPS.
They just don't do it. Well, here, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna say we didn't have GPS in the first place. And because people have launched L2s without GPS, it'll be fine. I think.
It should be. Wait, you already got it approved, no? Yeah, you're good.
I'm just gonna put on the rail and be like, yo, I can launch.
What are they building in there? Holy crap. Did you see that?
Oh, where?
In that room. Everyone in the white shirts.
I think or that. Oh yeah, they're doing a static fire.
What's that? This is the sickest shot ever right here.
Get that one.
Come on, there it goes. Get in there. Yeah. So.
Ready.
Okay, where is it? Oh. Look for like a black dot.
That went straight as an arrow.
Oh my god.
Holy sh**. Where'd it go? It's hard to see now. Everybody needs to move over the bunkers. Yeah. Holy sh**. That went straight up.
I've never...